Hello everyone, this is Self Engineer, and in today's video we are going to discuss the books that are helpful while preparation of GATE examination in mechanical engineering. We have shortlisted textbooks and references that can be used but not limited to it for preparation of these examinations. So stay tuned. This information is important for every GATE aspirant. So there are different number of topics that are listed in the slide. Let's begin with the first one, general aptitude. General aptitude section is of 15 marks. There are 5 questions of 1 mark each and 5 questions of 2 mark each. It has 2 sections. In first section, verbal ability, it contains English grammar, verbal analogy, word groups, instructions, critical reasoning and verbal deduction. For example, choose most appropriate word from the following. Such kind of questions will be asked. Those who have good English proficiency, they can easily score in this section. For polishing, read suitable grammar rules and use High School English Grammar and Composition by Wren and Martin and its key. Use its key book for checking answers to exercise. The second part in general aptitude is numerical ability. It consists of numerical computation, estimation, reasoning, and data interpretation. For beginning, one can practice numericals from Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal, or for more practice, Quantitative Aptitude for CAT by Arun Sharma. Also, have a look at previously asked question pattern. Shortlist those patterns and focus on them. Now, in XE paper, the first one is Engineering Mathematics. It contains around 10 questions, 4 to 5 questions of 2 marks and 4 to 5 questions of 1 mark, a total of 13 marks. Let's see which are good books for preparation of engineering mathematics, and since it has a vast syllabus, you need to have more practice on the numericals. So the first one is Higher Engineering Mathematics by B.S. Grewal. This book is great book for mathematics and for preparation of basics. Also, if possible, have a look at GATE Engineering Mathematics by Made Easy publication so that you get pretty idea about exam questions. The second section is Applied Mechanics and Design. In Applied Mechanics, the first one is Engineering Mechanics. It has an average weightage of about 4 marks. You can use Engineering Mechanics notes of first year and that will be sufficient for this. Those who want to prepare from basics, use Engineering Mechanics, Statics and Dynamics by A.K. Tayal. For more depth, one can refer Engineering Mechanics by S.S. Bhavikatti. If not available, use Beer and Johnson's Vector Mechanics. Even these many books are there, I suggest to use first year textbook or notes only, since this has only 5 to 7 marks of weightage. I don't suggest Engineering Mechanics by Timoshenko for beginners. It has scalar approach which is difficult sometimes. Next is Mechanics of Materials, or we call it Strength of Materials. It has variable weightage but average of 6 to 8 marks. I highly suggest you to go for the Strength of Materials by S. Ramamurtham. Prepare numericals from this book and previously solved numericals for supplementary study. Practice short numericals from the book or your textbook to have hands-on solving. Next, Theory of Machines. This section has average weightage of 8 to 10 marks. Sometimes it goes to 13 marks also. Combiningly, prepare for Mechanics to SOM and then TOM. For theory, I suggest to use Theory of Machines by S.S. Ratan. For numericals, solve from Theory of Machines by R.S. Khurmi and J.K. Gupta. And for vibrations, use Mechanical Vibrations by G.K. Grover. A pro tip here is don't prepare the subject, prepare for the GATE exam. So solve previous numericals topic wise. Once you understand basic, this will save your time. Next, machine design or design of machine elements. It has an average weightage of 8 marks in previous number of question papers. It is also vast subject for preparation. For theory, following books can be used. First, Design of Machine Elements by V.B. Bhandari, and second one is Machine Design by R.S. Khurmi. Also prepare short numericals similar to previously asked in GATE from these books. Don't prepare the subject line by line. The third section will be on fluid mechanics and thermal science. The first one is thermodynamics. It has an average weightage of about 12 marks. There will be questions on theory as well as numericals. For theory, the best book is Thermodynamics An Engineering Approach by Yunus Sengel and Michael Bowles. It is a great book for theoretical deep learning. For numericals, you can use your textbook or notes. Another great book is Engineering Thermodynamics by P.K. Nag. Next, Fluid Mechanics. This section has an average weightage of 6 marks, and the books that you can refer are as follows. The first one is my favorite, A Textbook of Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines by R.K. Bansal. For numericals, solve previously asked questions and questions from test series if possible. Also have a good hands-on formulae. Write or formulae in separate notebook. Next is heat transfer. It has an average weightage of 5 to 7 marks, in which 1 or 2 theory questions and 2 numerical questions can be asked. I suggest for foundation use Fundamentals of Heat and Mass Transfer by Yunus Sengel, or you can use Fundamentals of Engineering Heat and Mass Transfer by R.C. Sachdeva. Another tool is watch YouTube videos on previously asked numericals. Here a fixed types of numericals are observed in previous question papers, like numericals on heat exchanger, composite wall or composite cylinder. These kind of questions are repeatedly asked. Prepare those numericals. Next, application or power engineering and air conditioning and turbo machines. 1 or 2 questions on these topics are asked, and there is vast syllabus. The weightage is not fixed at all. For these topics, refer your textbooks or classroom notes, or one can prepare with reverse engineering. You can prepare the previously asked questions and related topics, and that will be sufficient. The next section is Materials, Manufacturing and Industrial Engineering. In engineering material and manufacturing processes, many books are there on production technology. One can use Production Technology by R.K. Jain. It is a good book. You can refer a textbook of Manufacturing Technology by P.N. Rao. If the time is limited, one can use Workshop Technology Volume 1 and 2 by Hajrat Chaudhary. Also, YouTube videos or class notes for numericals. Usually, numericals on time or volume required in casting, or percentage reduction in thickness in rolling, or heat input in welding or machining time. Such kind of numericals are repeatedly asked. Prepare those numericals from these videos or notes. Next is Metrology and Inspection. It has comparatively small weightage. One can read textbooks or classroom notes for this. That will be sufficient. Still, one can read Engineering Metrology by R.K. Jain or a textbook of Measurement and Metrology by R.K. Rajput. Also, you should have a basic understanding of GD&T. Next, CAD/CAM. Also on inventory control, maybe 1 or 2 questions will be asked. For this, one can read textbook or classroom notes, and that will be sufficient. Next is Operational Research. There are good books available which explains theory and numerical, but I suggest to practice as many numericals as you can on this topic using previously asked question papers, practice papers, test papers or academic notes. Understand the method of solving or techniques of calculation in OR problems. Reading books may consume more of your time. There are fixed types of numericals repeatedly asked again and again, like simplex method, LPP, PERT method, CPM method. etc. So this is it. This is all about books as per topics in syllabus. A pro tip for you is prepare to get admission in masters. Don't try to become subject master. This is almost complete graduation syllabus. So prepare notes of everything, revise again and again, write formulas in separate notebook. Step by step, day by day, you can increase your confidence. Hope this will be helpful in your study. For suggestions, write in comment box. Share to every GATE aspirant. And I personally thank my friends who scored very well in previous GATE examinations. Their guidance is helpful while preparing this video. Thanks for watching.